Spokes make noise. My front or rear wheel spokes crack at regular intervals. We got some tips. First, locate the cracking spoke by checking the tension or strength of each spoke nipple with your fingers. Second, then tighten them carefully with a spoke wrench. Third, make sure that the rim is still nearly centered by letting it rotate freely and observe whether any unbalance or deflections to the left or right or up or down can be seen. Last and fourth, check your spokes regularly and have them tightened by a specialist or bicycle shop if you don't think you can do it yourself. This process is perfectly normal, as the spokes can settle after a certain amount of use.